back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's Monday, which means it's my day to cook, unfortunately. But I was looking through I was scrolling through TikTok, but no. I was looking through Instagram and I found this recipe. I'm trying to, how do I say it? I've been watching Kim's videos. She cracks me up. Oh my gosh. Kimberly Wadsworth, her channel on YouTube is called the Wads. Oh my gosh, she finishes every time I'm in stitches watching her videos. But she tries a lot of different dinner recipes, so I thought I should start trying different dinner recipes, and whatever ingredients we don't have we can buy like when we do groceries. So I need to plan it out. How many Thursdays are there in a month? The point is, I was looking through Pinterest and I found this recipe. I've never had it before, but it looks so good. It's called sesame chicken bowls, and we have all the ingredients. So I thought, you know what, why not try something new? I would like to serve it with greens, but we don't have any greens. I'm gonna speak to my mom about that. We do have gem squash though, and I think we should use up what we have before we buy anything new, because otherwise it's just gonna sit there. We also have sweet potato, but there's like 2 sweet potatoes, which is not a lot, but I can cut it into cubes and like serve it over top. That sounds like a great idea. Anyway, I'm looking at the photo here and I realize I'm not showing you anything, but here it is. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that bokeh. Nice. Okay, this is what it looks like. How yummy does that look? Let me show you the top picture. Here. Basically, this is what we're making, because rice is just regular rice. I'm going to use basmati rice, and it's called the Sesame Chicken Bowl, and it's by Damn Delicious. Is that the rest? Yeah. Damn Delicious is the website. So this is what I'm gonna make today. The recipe does have one ingredient that I don't have. Let me read the recipe out to you really quickly. Basmati rice, broccoli florets, don't have. I'll use whatever vegetable I have. Chicken stock, I'll just use a chicken cube with water. I feel like that's very similar. Orange marmalade. Never seen her. I've never looked for her on a shelf, but I have an orange here, and I'm pretty sure there's an orange in the fridge. So I'm gonna do orange juice and orange zest. You know, frugal, problem solver. That's what we're feeling here. Oh, it does also call for 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, so we'll just kind of like skip the marmalade, because what I just mentioned is already on the list. And then it says soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, don't have it, I'm gonna leave it out. Ginger, I have powder, so I'll do a little bit of that. Garlic, got that. Sriracha, optional, don't have that. Chicken breast, salt, pepper, canola oil, I've got that. Sesame, toasted sesame seeds, I don't have that, but I have regular sesame seeds, and I'm just gonna brown them in the pan super quickly. And then 1 green onion, don't have that. I have regular onion though. What is it for? Decoration? Oh yeah, it says garnish with green onion. I don't have that. We're not gonna garnish this, but yeah, we're gonna make this meal. Hopefully everyone likes it. I don't know, but if we don't like it, we can always make peanut butter and jam or like toast. There's options, so let's actually go do that. I'm actually gonna go prep. I still have to defrost the chicken, so anyway, let's go cook. I'm gonna bring you along with me, so yeah, let's go.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the human, it gets gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard.
So this is the chicken stock.
Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter,
Woo! That smells bad. I'm trusting the process. Damn, that smells like straight up throw up.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up.
Okay, so quick update. In the recipe, they only season the chicken with salt and pepper. I'm guessing the marinade's supposed to do all the work, but I don't trust the process that much.
Sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be
is ready. The recipe calls to put the mixture in the pan with the chicken, but I don't really trust this mixture with the orange, so I think I'm gonna put it in a separate pan and cook it up and then taste it and then see if I want to put the chicken in it, because the chicken can basically go into any sauce. Like I can do a barbecue sticky sauce type situation, so I don't want to risk putting the sauce into the chicken yet without tasting it, because it doesn't smell so great. So I'm gonna cook the sauce first, taste it, and then see if I want to put the chicken into it, just to be safe. And then also, you just saw me toasting the sesame seeds. I should go check on those. It's not bad. It's just gonna be no for me. So I'm gonna look up a different sauce recipe and try that while I put this one in a plate or something to cool, because yeah, no. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, Nicole, maybe try it with the sauce and the chicken. Maybe it pairs well together. I did that, it didn't work out. So we're gonna make teriyaki sauce. And because I have trust issues now, I'm gonna make it in a separate pot and then add it to the chicken if I like it. Let's do it.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all.
We're gonna have a coffee break.
Was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Okay, ignore the microwave if you can, but the chicken is so good. So I made a homemade teriyaki sauce. So this recipe is for teriyaki chicken, and that's kind of like the same vibe as, see, it's the same dish basically, but this is teriyaki chicken. The other one was a sesame chicken bowl, rice bowl. And you make your own homemade teriyaki sauce, or if you have teriyaki sauce, I feel like you can use that, but I didn't read the entire recipe before I started. But yeah, tastes so good. I'm so happy. So now I'm just doing some baby carrots in the microwave, and then I'm gonna plate everything.
it's getting to me.
I forgot to show you the final product before I wrapped it, but it's the teriyaki chicken on top, there's rice underneath, and some carrots. Everyone has the same thing. It's a rice bowl, but people eat in plates, and I don't want to change that, so. There it is. I still have some toasted sesame seeds left. Just gonna cover them and put them away. So good. Hi everyone. It's Wednesday. It's the next day. I saw you yesterday. I'm gonna show you what breakfast I am gonna have, and then I'm gonna actually make an ice cream cone. So I took this ice cream out of the fridge. I don't want to tip it too much because I left it out too long, but it's chocolate and salted caramel. It's basically liquid. Fun. These ice cream cones from Wood's literally smell the worst I've ever smelled anything in my life. So anything that smells old, it smells like cardboard. Like, I bought them last week. Why do they smell like cardboard? Here I am, just making a mess. I'm so annoyed because the same day that we bought them, it smells like something stale, like something that's been sitting like uncovered in the cupboard for months, which is so annoying because they're new. Cheers to ice cream, and not cheers to ugly smelling cones. Got my water, got my ice cream. I'm gonna head up, get some schoolwork done. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, so I just wanted to give you a little update on this board that I got from Mr. Price. I don't know if I updated you before, but I told you that the corners were coming apart. So that's how that corner looks right now. I put it back together with some hot glue, but clearly it's not holding, which I knew was going to be a problem because I take this off and on at the end of every month. So it's constantly being moved. It's not like sitting in one place. So anyway, what I was saying is both corners, this corner and that corner, came like apart, and I couldn't find the receipt, so I couldn't take it back, which was so annoying. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna go to Leroy Merlin with it, because they do like a DIY thing in the front sometimes, so I'm gonna ask what I can use to hold it together. They have quite a big selection of glues. I'll probably just take a photo because I really don't want it to continue coming apart, but I'm gonna take a photo, go there, ask them how to fix that, and yeah, that's the update on this. I would not buy it. I regret everything. Okay, bye. Hi everyone, so today's Tuesday. We have a nail appointment. I'm actually at my nail tech's place, so I'm getting a refill done. Also one of the nails did snap through, like it snapped across. It cracked on both sides and then just snapped across, so I did soak that one off so that we can do a new one on that finger. But yeah, this is what the set looks like. This is 4 weeks later, 4 weeks after getting them done. We usually do 3 weeks, but we did 4 this time.
It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better know.
Hi everyone, so I forgot to show you my nails. There's the sunlight. Oh, what's left of it. This is what my nails look like. How cute. So this looks like tie-dye, like a dark purple and a lighter purple. And then this, it's not really focusing, but believe me, it's pretty. Well, pretty is pretty relative. I like it. I like the length too. It's like perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's the final result. I love it. Okay, bye. I can't wave like this. Bye.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.